Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Focus ST. Stock number is A6106A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have the black and red alloy wheels. Definitely adds a sharp feel. Inside, you have the RECARO racing seats. A combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top, you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.